I can hear the sound of the river. Look at this young fella, man. The youngest trailer on the trail. Hey, what is up, guys? Jungle D once again, and welcome back to the channel. Well, guys, you know I always say I like it wet, wild, and dirty. If it ain't wet, if it ain't wild, it's no adventure. Today, guys, I'm up here at the Sunset City, as you guys can see, Victoria, and I'm heading up to Tufton Hall Waterfall for the 50th time. And today I have some guys on the trail, just a small group of us. So let's enjoy the adventure, guys. Look at that jungle, man. Look at that jungle. Oh yeah, it's a wonderful sweat, guys. Lovely sweat. This early morning, you can do it. It is always rewarding, guys, when you get out on the trail. Get wet, get wild, and get dirty. Woo! For sure you would always remember your adventures. Every experience you had on the trail. Look at this young fella, man. And this is our reward. Take a look at these guys. Yeah, beautiful. Man. Nature at its best, man. Beautiful, beautiful. The youngest trailer on the trail. Yeah, I have not seen a video with a young guy like this coming to Tufton Hall Falls. This is one of them, guys, on the route. Beautiful, lovely. Oh yeah. Guys, as you can see, we are having a lot of fun on this trail, man. Woo! It's beautiful, man. Nature is so amazing. Why some of you sitting home, not getting outdoors? Adventure is one of the most fulfilling, I should say, pleasure you can get outdoors, man. So, come on, get outside. Leave a comment down in the bottom section if you like this kind of thing and would like to see me do more videos like this, guys. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and share this video, guys, and I'll be having a lot more videos of this coming your way. And the fun has begun. Climate number 1. Oh yeah, guys. This is a lot of fun, so much fun. And this is nature, guys. Right here, Spice Isle, Grenada, Tufton Hall Waterfalls. It's all natural. A very fruitful and successful adventure today here up at Tufton Hall. And like I said, this young guy, for me, it's one of the first young guy of his age to come up here. Well, if I'm wrong, correct me. And trust me, this has been a wonderful, wonderful adventure. So we have come to the end of this first part, I should say, coming from the waterfall, out of the river, back into the muddy terrain, and we'll see you guys on the outside. So don't forget to give a thumbs up, guys. See you on the other side. We're on top of the final ascent now. Strictly down, descend, back to home. Wet, wild and dirty. Jungle D outdoors. Yeah. Beautiful. So we have decided to take a little cool out and wash off all of the mud and dirt from our bodies. So there's a river next to here. There's a river here, and this place looks like a place usually you can come and have a little picnic. Woo. Beautiful water here. Yeah guys, so like I said, we are here at that big pond right here, riverside. Just come to cool out. After a big adventure like this, you definitely need to reward yourself with something that will make you feel rejuvenated. And guys, wow, what a wonderful place to be. Nature, it's natural. Let's enjoy it, man. Woo, guys. Yes, I feel very, very refreshed. Feel very, very refreshed right now. Yes, I can go another day. Woo! So we had a lovely time in the river right here. You see there is a nice big pond right there. Lovely, free and natural. And we had fun. So I'm gonna call it quit. So guys, thank you for viewing this video. And don't forget, like I said many times in this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, because I will be posting a lot more adventures like this. And guys, share it with your friends. Hit me up at the bottom if you like to go out on an adventure with Jungle D. Just type wet, wild and dirty. Yes guys, see you guys on the other side.